From car crashes, motorcycle incidents to industrial disaster, we break down what went wrong and how it could have been avoided. Welcome to my channel Who's at Fault? Where we analyze real-life accidents and reveal the critical mistakes behind them. Stay tuned for in-depth analysis, safety tips, and be sure to subscribe for more videos like this. So, let's get started.
Number 1.
Look how this brutal accident took place, which took the life of a pedestrian. The driver must be doing something else, like using mobile. The cause of accident is mobile use. Let's look in slow motion. What do you think caused this incident? Tell us in the comments.
Number 2.
Check out this brutal accident took life of many people because of this mad driver. The driver must be drunk in this case. The cause of accident is overspeed. Let's look in slow motion. What do you think caused this incident? Tell us in the comments.
Number 3.
Check out this brutal accident caused due to wet road and overspeed. Driver was not wearing seatbelt, which thrown him out of truck because of impact. Let's look in slow motion. What do you think caused this incident? Tell us in the comments.
Number 4.
Look how this incident took place because of biker not paying attention on the road. The cause is lack of judgment. Let's look in slow motion.
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town.
What do you think caused this incident? Tell us in the comments.
Number 5.
Look how this incident took place because of tire not tightened. The cause of incident is tire not tightened. Let's look in slow motion.
Number 6.
Look why you have to be extra careful while backing your car off. The cause of incident is out of control and lack of judgment. Let's look in slow motion.
I just wanna find a way out, sick of the venom in my brain. Running from the past, wanna escape my pain. I just wanna be a better person, I deserve this, I just wanna break these chains. Always asking for greatness, true to myself, I never fake it. Seen no many ones that are so they get famous. And when I say the truth, most really can't take it. In spite of everything I've been through, I'ma make it. Fake friends, but on my downfall is toxic. Day one, started to outlaws for profit. Now all I do is write verses, no talking. All I do is put the work in, no option. This was everything I ever wanted. Created a legacy off of me, just being honest. And the fake ones hate, but it's all to no avail. They wanna see me lose, but you know I never fail.
What do you think caused this incident? Tell us in the comments. Thanks for watching Who's at Fault, where we break down real-life accidents to understand what went wrong. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it to help others stay safe on the road. Don't forget to subscribe for more accident breakdowns and safety tips every week. Drive safely, and we'll see you in the next video.